Hi, I'm Lisa Whitcup with Intero Real Estate Services. Today we are in the beautiful neighborhood of Willow Glen in San Jose, California. I'm really excited to bring you my new listing in this luxury condo at Willow Glen Place, where elegance meets resort-style living. Come in and take a look. Welcome to Willow Glen Place, a highly sought-after community that offers the perfect blend of charm and convenience. This prime location is just minutes from the heart of Lincoln Avenue, where you'll find boutique shops, local cafes, and weekend farmers markets. Situated near the Cambrian neighborhood, you'll enjoy quick access to everyday essentials and an easy commute to downtown San Jose and major Silicon Valley employers. Here, you're close to everything, yet tucked into a quiet, beautifully maintained community that feels worlds away from the bustle of the city. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle rooted in comfort, convenience, and community. As you can see, this condo has a lot to offer, from luxury lifestyle to location. So if you have any questions, give me a call. That's what I'm here for.